Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We have a big surprise for you. Yes, it's finally here. Our DIY project planning planner is now available. And guess what? For a limited time, it's absolutely free. So if you would like to have me in the form of a planning binder, this is what you want. We've gotten so many requests for it, and so now we've put it all together, and you will have everything you need to plan and execute your DIY projects, be it for weddings, birthdays, bar mitzvahs, quinceañeras, baby showers. Everything you need to plan a project from beginning to end is right here at your fingertips. So get it quickly because it's going to be free for only a limited time. So head right on down to the description, click on the link, and it's right there for you. You can download it and print it out like you would normally do a planning binder, or you can just download it to your computer because we made it interactive. You can just type in your information, it'll upload it for you, and it's just wonderful. I'm just so excited. So go ahead, take advantage of this free offer, and get to planning your next DIY project. All right, with that being said, let's get to this week's project, which is our holiday gift idea picture collage. So excited to show you this one. It's so simple, but packs a wonderful punch. So let's get started with this week's project. So this project is basically 3 steps. I'm using 8-inch paper mache letters. You can use any size you want. They come in 12-inch, they even come in 16-inch sometimes. But I'm using 8-inch because I want to do initials. So I'm using the smaller letters because I'm going to be using more of them. But if you just want to do one letter, maybe one for your loved one's last name or your loved one's first name, or maybe a big C just for Christmas and you put all Christmas pictures on it, whatever works for you. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it and you run with it and make it your own. So your first step is going to be to paint the letter. I love black and white pictures. So typically when I do this project, it is always in black and white. There have been occasions where I've done it in red for, say, Christmas pictures, and then all of my pictures were color pictures also that incorporated the Christmas colors, Christmas theme. So just to let you know that I have done it in color once or twice. So you're going to paint it first, front, back, and the insides, and let it dry completely. So I've selected various pictures and I've copied them onto a Word doc, and I've adjusted the sizes. Some are bigger, some are smaller, and I printed them out on regular printer paper, just regular printer paper. It is so much easier to deal with than actual photos. Now, I do know people who have used actual photos. I have not. They tend to be a lot more difficult to adhere to the paper mache letter, but really it's your preference. So for me, printing out my pictures on regular typing paper, either in color or in black and white, works best. So now the fun begins. You just pick a spot to start in and start measuring your pictures to adhere to the paper mache letter. There is really no one place to start or easier place to start. just wherever you feel comfortable, really. So I tend to use my letter as a template, and I trace if I have curves or if I have indents, then I trace it right from the letter so it can be a better fit and cut out the parts that I do not need for the collage. And it's like a puzzle. So just take your time. You can do it. The more precise your lines are, the more professional your paper mache collage will look. So take some time with it. You can do it, guys. Well, guys, what do you think? Pretty awesome. I love this gift idea for teachers, for grandparents, for godparents. It's just awesome. Even for your own kids, you could do a collage of maybe their recital pictures or piano recital pictures or soccer game or whatever you can think of. It's so wonderful to have these memories just displayed. So I hope you like this project. Remember, the links to all of the supplies are in the description below, and it's super inexpensive. So remember what I say, gifts to cherish don't always have to cost a bunch of money. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and like us. Subscribe for sure so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Friday. Please feel free to comment or ask us a question. We'd love to help. That's what we're here for. You can also follow us on all of our social media, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We love to see your comments, and we love it when you post your finished projects on our social media. It's awesome. It makes us feel great. In addition to that, you can find all the links to the supplies in the description below. Just click on that little upside down triangle and everything is at your fingertips. From the supply links to our eBates. If you're not using it, you need to use it. It's free. You make money while you spend money. Check it out. The link is right there. It's absolutely free. Another thing that is free is our project planning planner. The link is right there in the description. You just click on it and it's all yours. But remember, is for a limited time. So make sure you head on down the description, click on the link so that you can get your free project planning planner. I hope you love it as much as I do. We have more products coming to you because you're asking for it, you need it, and we want to help. So that's what we're working on. We're going to continue to work on that so that you can be a DIY queen. So with that being said, if you would like to hang out with us more, guess what? You can do that. Head on over to our Patreon channel and become a Patreon. Support us while you'll also get exclusive videos that are only for our Patreon users. Also, if you're a Patreon member, you get all of the information of our upcoming products as well as coupons and freebies before everybody else. So there are some privileges for membership. Sound like an American Express commercial. So with that being said, I had such a blast hanging out with you guys. Please come on back next week. We know you have so many options, and we are very grateful that you choose to spend this time with us. Next week, we're going to continue our prep for the holidays with a beautiful holiday wedding centerpiece. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. So until next week, take care. God bless.